Day, Ma'am Jermaine. Today, I'm here to present my student portal, both login and sign up. My admin for student portal was already graded, so I'm just here to present you my student login and sign up. So as we can see here in the login, we need to put the student ID and the password. But first thing first, let's create an account. We can add here student ID, the full name, the email address, the password, and then the confirm password. So let's first add an student ID and then the name, an email address. For the password, we need to at least 10 characters, contains an uppercase, a lowercase, number, and a special character. So let's add now a password. Let's copy and paste it so we can be quick. So account redirecting to login. So let's put that account that we created. As we can see here, it says your account is still pending its approval by admin, but since my admin is already graded, I'll now just show you an account that has been approved by admin. It has a different student ID number but same name. So after logging in, as you can see, here is my dashboard. You can see my name, it welcomes me, and then my student ID. Potential name 2023000677. Here's my dashboard. The weekly or schedule overview, subjects, course, grades, course descriptions, the announcements, payments, payment status, history, and the profile. We can see my full profile. Student ID number, course, year level, contact number, address, and then the email. And that's all for my student portal. And then of course we'll need to log out. That's all for my student portal, both login and sign up.